still got it. Always asking what you doing, tell them take you shopping. He don't do it for you, baby, get a different house. She got you coming out the crib and you ain't coming out of pocket. How long that's gonna take? Will you just wanna stay? Will you just wanna wait? But girl, you better get paid, yeah. And I know that it gets old, that it gets cold. Just pull up when we outside before the gate cold. Ain't allowed to keep you down and realize that it will.
Since I spoke, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby. I've been.
Hey y'all, welcome to a new video. It is your girl. If you are new here, my name is Neriah and we will be teaching you how to install a wig today. Okay. Today's sponsor is coming from Unice Hair. Thank you, Unice, so much for sponsoring today's video. They gifted me with a few items. As you can see, it does come with a wig, and then it's a little duffel bag that does include a wig cap, some clips. It had a nice scarf in it for, like, you know, if you want to lay your edges down. And that was it. Oh, and it did come with a pair of lashes, y'all. And the lashes are actually pretty cute, okay? Like, no cap. So, I do appreciate that. And like I said, on top of that, the hair is inside the box. So today we are working with an 18-inch body wave unit. You guys, this hair is really nice, okay? Like, I've had Unice hair in the past, and honestly, I've never had any disappointments with them. Right out the package, it feels so nice, so soft. It don't have a nasty ass box corn chip smell to it. It's actually a very, very nice wig. And it came pre-plucked. I was so happy about that. Absolutely hate plucking my units, but it came pre-plucked and it was laying pretty flat, if you ask me. So I was very excited about that. Okay, so the first thing I do when I get any wig at this point is I'm gonna bleach the knots. We're not doing the whole slap the wig on right out the package bullshit. We're not doing that no more. You want to get your wig customized as much as you can so that it looks as natural on your skin as possible. And then, like I said, this lace was very good. This is a very, very good lace on this wig. So honestly, like, I didn't have to keep the bleach on that long. I probably kept it on for like 15 minutes, if that. And yeah, I think it toned very well. So I made my little paste. You know, you always know you don't want it to have it, you don't want your bleach to be too runny. You want it to be, you know, kind of a thick consistency like toothpaste. So once you get that paste going, I'm just going to slap it on the wig around the entire lace. I'm so sorry for this angle, y'all. I am just now realizing that, you know, this angle is not the best angle. So I do apologize. But all you're going to do is slap all of that paste on the lace part. Hey y'all, so it's been about 2 days since y'all seen me, believe it or not. But yes, so I'm getting ready to install this wig. I had just rinsed the bleach out and washed the hair with some conditioner, and then that's kind of the end result once it air dried down. I think the pattern of this wig already is very pretty. Like, if you wanted to just wear it straight in this pattern, I think it will still be very pretty. You don't have to straighten it, you don't have to curl it. So this is the wig. It does come with 2 clamps on the side, 1 in the back. There's also a little piece of lace in the back right off the bat, when I was putting the wig on, I was just so happy with how snug it was. I really didn't have to do no elastic band method. I didn't have to do anything but just put the wig on, and it fit perfectly. You know, it was just the right amount of snug, so that was good. I'm getting ready to, I'm just looking at the wig. You already know, I don't do the ball cap method. I don't do the glue method. We strictly stick with that black can, honey. Okay, so hey y'all, so I am getting ready to part the hair. I don't have an elastic band, so that's why y'all see me kind of like, choke myself to get the band around my head. But that is very vital when it comes to getting your wigs put on, or if you're putting on your own wig, you need that band to keep that lace down. So I'm just parting it. I wanted a deep part on the side. And like I said, I don't, it would be useful to have a wax stick in this situation. I don't have any wax sticks. So I'm going to go in with my Evian spray to spray that part down so it can lay flat. You guys will see. I love how the part is looking already. This is why you guys need to bleach your units, okay? Like, it still, I mean, yeah, we are going to do the makeup trick to put makeup on the lace to make it look natural, but honestly, it looks a lot better now that I've bleached the lace so that, it blends in with my skin. So I took the band off. I absolutely love how it's looking right now. I'm getting ready to cut the lace. I am going to start off with scissors just because it was like really, really stuck to my head. But I ultimately like to use an eyebrow razor. You guys will see me use that in a minute because it makes it, it's a lot easier to cut your lace that way instead of using scissors. You see them scissors are like too big. So So at this point, I did put a little bit of foundation around the lace part so it can blend in a little bit. I had my makeup on before I did my hair, and I like would not recommend that. Normally, it would be the other way around, but it's okay. If so, just make sure you get your foundation to blend. And I'm just going in with some more spray to hold that part. All right, so we're now defining the part. This is like my favorite step of it. I don't know why, but we are defining that part, and I always go in with a powder. I use the same powder that I would use to like highlight my face. You know, like after you put your concealer on, you always want to use a lighter concealer, but make sure it's a powder. I don't know, when it comes to like using a liquid product, it just don't slap the same. Okay, you want to make sure that you're using a powder on the lace. All right, y'all. So that is pretty much it. The final step I'm going to do with this hair, and I'm actually going to spray some water on my hair so that it can get that wavy look. Like I said, I love the original texture of this hair, and honestly, this wig is bomb. Even the lace on the wig is bomb, easy to blend. I didn't have to do too much to it, and it looks natural and pretty, and I really love it. So, yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helped. We are stepping it up, honey, this year. We are definitely stepping it up. So nonetheless, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. I love you guys. Thanks again, Unice, for always rocking with your girl and sponsoring today's video. Until next time, see you later, y'all.